tie oha echi ponkno
Needs FM.
And the press conference I hear na PBS and some are up in na the committee I sure said that I said it in class out of 2 said you put to a team of some financial forensic experts on the PBS and some na womu edina ye no ye ka do e be ebetuga general ebina na ye de ba betuga e na Kofi Antoata na president na nkasa bu takwa de eko clan mo ko kan India ye gidi say president ni elowa the bar on the fight against corruption completely that was our conference no na and also any ye de e ho nsem ekita na ye di kan PDS nsem no ye gidi say as a government, MPP government, a pioneer or mafas wa gomu faculty kwaso afa or minor japati achama busiano. Any idea emu remedy. Se oshe ye ebi incentive we na the two jakrana eye dibija and the na aba. Esa say in 24 omo yisu omo edit sa contract yenim edit that PPS and GC free or mining sama or mobile bema. Sanko na no only 51% of the shares. Na every set will be trade we can say 51 no say the contract na ya check year the assembly ba na that year example kai sika. Enti companies no one divest shares na yan tititi mu ketin na other companies in fact ketin na chese will be an interest room wo bi ma yenya contract ni bia be timi yenya bi na ati egum pa kese pa eti ekufudi pa ya wo mutina so eti issues eyi ne che de ona fraudulent ne ne che omampenia be tiri ba obia wono ena emra amida Millennium Development Authority ene aban eya nhihye bi ya ye ne ko be ma sa contract omampenia be tiri ekotra bi timu frɛ omo che Bibi a the condition precedent as a what I now they high. Oh, quite high die advance no 2 years. Would is kind of qua has only the key amount another boy. And yes, I here.
Yeah.
Good. Now on my penny other year about ya. A quarter meeting you say okay. Sir, you see I had the bar behind me. None care what's able to see cannot ever and some of the keys number. So no, what dear yemfa keys ni mamu na sikano later na mo fambra na ye bi se eka eno krapu ke be fi ho no ma wasa the council say sikana abode be ban kan ke se body cotton bank ni emu se sikana da bank se de be ya ye bia ye sabe kimi aka se sikano na so no esa se eye mu nti no wo de mamu fan cotton bank emu mu nkoye insurance na se e ba ne se sikano embaya na ya kwakwaji ewo insurance for ne ho ena ye di egapade amman ko free gift me win for manya a big take decision with that 20 billion Ghana cedi assets now they are more busy one family kwa na the extent say sikana so mo de mayen ye da sisia ye ba be tia license ye trace kana na o man gade kana o di asa ko ye sa ade free gift ka cha de kafe e na ade ama we point say e dan a wo di han o we ye at a store nyema pogumu dada amanfo to nyema e na wo di a check free enti say o hwe sa ade we ya e ye fraud kasi in fact that ye ne kasi eye abusua kro kese aba so obamu ayewu bida wo memu ha.
Okay, now
ehun ya se ebetu ana mo no na omati committee a kofo no aye hwehwemu wo mo de report no omo ma 30 days aburu 30 days na no yakotia ya se president declare PDS money bia ni ese hey aden hane afi omo si okay yen clear na report no craft ni abani system ye busa se report number the ten report the kind na ecosystem na saa companies na o my get companies o collapse o shares na kenu for reata edi ekire na o yes ade me say nti e na o yes ade eti ensem the questions be all the more PDF ensem we wa yeah answer be no ka say the government has not been transparent with the people of this country so yeah can
okay
because o my party president Akufo-Addo ne papa eja party a otoma STSS hotel na otoma STSS okokoblimli hono menya so say o de hotel ne ma omo so omo nkopu no omo nsi omo eyi ansa na wakoti sika later me so say ne check sika ansa na wode mo nti e ba de say no man eja party de wode check eyi documents.
Okay, Peter, maybe some way yeah. Yahwe PDS nsema wo kan aban ni mu mpanyimfo na wo mo ne yisijufo ka bo mu a wo mo hu se enoma bi nkojie e wo PDS ni mo ana wo mo de ba abonten na wo mo de ba betu ye nyina ye nim eti se wo mo akasa no aba abonten hu se da bi ade we ye nkojie nti ese twetwemu bi ekoso esi den na wo kasa wo mo ana ese twa mo ho a wo mo bokoro no e wo PDS ni mo
yo we ne enema bi a FCT cheche maka ho asemba ana so wan chi wan tin amba edibija ena di egurumura aba edibija ne kyerese ye di nkofo ye nim akwaji contract na ye nya 50% afi ye che ya nche yi ekwan ba kwa ye che no se ye di other companies ba na sika no ebe spread na obi etimi enya ne die na no na temfuri atafo akiri ko kache company ne se 51 no mo fa 11% na dia aka no 40% no ye ma ada small na obi a ni interest mo obu ama ni ya duma ni bia ntumi nye and that is how they go in abai eti eno na
eno mu nyina so se eti
eno na go check condition precedent na o ma meet number because ebufu aba and we so ompne it is on prayer any condition precedent you or one meeting and my condition subsequent. If you condition subsequent, the class one said meeting, it's not just a young year and a fraud. What you have here?
It's the more anything to go by, say a didija na bibi say yaba. The question is, say ya didija obi antara no to so. Nipa de aba bonten say, ade we and koso wa agreement ni mo. Eti ade na rather mo ma aban na ba so se wo man tena se amfan so mo to so le mo do ba bonten e ma ye hu se na no ma we ni na ankoye wo
man na wa asema okay se didi jade emunemu na aba ade ne ba enye ntokwa ne ba ntokwa ba obi fa ni wo suma bere wa ofa bebi okopem ho and that is what has happened and edi asem kese we abeto ho no mo you understand e didi jade emunemu na ni akufuo and this answer we na aba and me no ye kan wasem it be a great impression say aban aye bibi akwese wa ko wiade na ye chesi wa na wo hwa ye ya che na wa jade na to na wo di pa na be fa na ade out mi pa mo nsem ma wa ya ade ye mo nsem ma eno na me boss kan korfo abia ofo wa hwumu fo adwane na wudi na jiw ta na sa na odi fo de to wo se ma nya ye bi mo se wo bedu wa se bo se ma me na ma ya de fo na me wi ya na ma sa de ama ada ko da do sem ben krani e kura wo se ma ka me wi ye into ye mo se mo e kura no can you imagine so I'm sure what child analogy ni de de ba mu kura pa na ye che Ghana ko bu ko no bo e na akoso e didija na de amum na aba ena eburumu na no ama abaye tu anamo bi sa anamo no tu ye no akobie Pandora's box so amu akiri na kono bokas ye say die money ben ya o man ya president Akufo-Addo many wo ka say free time president Akufo-Addo ebe di o man so 106 corruption scandal makuma ko 106 so far come you look at one clear eno na ye public procurement ye don komi contract na afa adoma ato aban contract so aye ton any NY 4.5 billion ye di tini amount for a fire omo repair street light 4.5 billion what the man ya ben anano de ye be to mukra po de attack ya president ni akọ sign contract of $34 billion $34 billion almost 150 million Ghana cedis ne Ghana e ka ye di ubi ase free kuma time ni na ya yepe money ben ya Akufo-Addo
na Peter was corruption scandals in 106
ɛyɛ maako 106
a ni nyina no mo ka se aban no akle wo mo
na President Akufo-Addo akle aka mi ru se mi ense dipe.
Okay, I'm yet to authenticate ofi Ghana waka ne there. But mama bisa we yo. Be patcho me ba.
Ma, ada obenya mre no. Frame studio meba. Na me ya bugbo nyina so maako. In fact, adwuma o mama yen na amasisi ano schedule officer in charge of corruption in the office.
Hey sir.
Neba no ochro. Scandals neba no ochro. Amamukra mu journalists, you have lost count. You are not able to follow the issues anymore because now you will discuss about the boom pine. One day, one fraud. In fact, you see, I have 1 day, 2 fraud. 1 day, 2 fraud. 1 day, 2 fraud. The acceleration of corruption scandals in this government is unbelievable. And your Fourth Republic, Oko from First Republic, a banty and buy a way of corn, or your code, your chrono, dear, a dream with you to say a Kufado Abina.
Okay. Dia ye bisa ne senso. Se bibi se ya ba, aya na ba no mo ti abedwakuo. Na wama ye hwehwemu e de afa ho na hwehwemu no de ba beto abontene no eno na wama hwe se wama de beye adwuma aban ne tena ne to so e wo ho eti eno ne besi de no maka se president lower the bar say ye the fight against corruption
na investigation say investigation no asem de ba president on the conveyor belt no refer am institution. What the common police here for 3 days so the penal report about the person is cleared. The person is cleared and you committed crime on your book no you now okay. For example, over Australian visa scandal. Ya journalist bi akwa amanone. Said you brofo any antro kra wo muntimi chiro. Ama Australia fo ya bu hu se chronodie imposting. Amanfo anya omwa e na omaba ena ye de omu abe journalist enu kwasi aka oman no wo man si ye hwehwemu ye se payos agide or deputy minister wono na odi enim eye sa anya mani na one step aside ye ti wan bi na dancer ne aba se ya clear no okay ya clear ne chese ya clear ne so onye egboni bia etu kwana ene kwaje nke sa ne mankofo no wa de ti omani bi ye eye motia ye bi enye motia eye nipa people very deep inside the education akokam na ye have what they say you hear sama the promotion you see our deputy minister of information it's about we no criteria the most dealing with corruption corruption by a step aside investigation the must hear the behind fast track 3 days na report number report no will be a move yes you are clear na president about you are clear ni amount eduma for sekoye we now bokro no more intelligence and ni amount promotion. And that has been the way President Akufo-Addo, the blueprint that President Akufo-Addo used to fight to corruption. And in all the 106 scandals, that is what he has applied.
All right.
Even the latest one, attached to the enemy chain, say Obel refer Ama agency. The name is what to say what the Ama here before and or the Ama special prosecutor.
For now, I can't confirm that. But Mami Bissau, Peter, some more young Ghana for whom na ne we schedule officer on corruption over office. What to me actually 106 scandals akosua emu 104 has been cleared. And then according to your figure, and na muntimi mfa sense me nyina kwakoda in court. Entu ho na momba akokra ma yehu se ampa se modwe ye ho se ye japade se nipa bi se ne dia. Ene mo a modwe Ghana fo ho no mode akwakoda in court because a scratch eye hwehwemu kura na se wonte ase a. Muntimi de court.
Mark.
Yes, brother.
What's your amra? Oh, you're bringing me and what's your amra?
Bepato means yamra, the mum yakin camera.
Oh, okay. Okay, camera. A baby, a penny committee criminal offense. Oh, private citizen, which me initiative criminal.
Na president now then kwa na se nipa na yaketa se chan bumbo no na den eko.
Tobo nipa na wa ye krono die no. Applying says institutions and say no investigation. We will hear a lawyer for the Makuna court. I'm a lawyer for Nakutia Semono, I'm a judge for no to Ebua Semono. One, TID boss, one and a institution, the main institutions are a investigation. Wano, President Akufo-Addo family now. Chief Justice, one ɛna asɛm no ɛkɔda de nima obi
was it CID president Akufo-Addo nua wo
tobo
Peter meba na wetre esabri bi wo ha wo kan na wa clear ni ye e de ama na wo se CID aso ye president nua wo
president Busuani
ono ne hwan
tiwa adodankwa
oh Peter enye nokre meba cho enye nokre menka se eye ntro ba da enye nokre meba cho
o ka se ntro na enye nokre eji oye ne den
meba cho mami tiwa adodankwa no kra na eda so no eye ne kunu din o menim se wo ya we ya eti meba cho ese adodankwa ni ti na wo kan enye ne Busuani meba cho
mini enye ne Busuani ana
meba cho enye ne Busuani kra wo se tiwa o free asante atem
enye ne Busuani on relate no ba bia ni ko enye ne Busuani
Peter Wadaru ma na wo force wa de mami tiwa adodankwa beka se the Busuani ni president meba cho eno de enye no kra meba cho
the responsibility will be on you. So tell the people, so that the responsibility will be on you. So when I wait here,
and me na media gina mo ye sanity. I'm telling you the fact.
But be that as it may. Judge, Supreme Court, Chief Justice, and President Nia, the Busuani. Attorney General, on the baby, sending India court, after prosecutor, and President Busuani. And all the institutions are now working permanently to facilitate prosecution in this country and fighting corruption. President Akufo-Addo has bastardized all those institutions. And what's up political party people? And Womu Iran. Okoka almost you see a special prosecutor, but special prosecutor the clan a Matiambi to the war now no plan no NDC. You could say then part their motivation is here President Akufo-Addo the farm Matiambi. Because some Matiambi are team and NDC also. Every party them attack it and this for catch on me corrupt. The thing that every time I have special prosecutor, you see as the thing that if we say the cases are here and I one time I know or accuse and before what you are prosecuting. You are the special prosecutor. Akufo-Addo 106 scandals you offer the command the pen of fire started complaining and our buying penny for support to me. They are not being helpful. One more put two blocks, one more manning investigation. Obe check the address we are not declaring Saba. And declaring notice to say abiding on the structures that are fighting corruption have been deliberately weakened by Akufo-Addo so that he and his people can perpetuate their corruption during the year can kind of abandon to be obedient to
anything discourage you say
21 NDC former appointee to be up court. Now, so 2.5 years, 100 scandals about our baby, but now we to far about Crown Court. Now, what the NDC for? How much you chum? And also, much money, so many chum. What the 21 put now quarter? Who percent Ghana for bonds amount?
Okay.
Now, where did you map? Bonds amount. And no, Emma, when you clear agent in chief now.
Okay,
but when you're clearing agent in chief. In fact, I don't emphasize it when you're clearing agent in chief because we want the idea. Also, what the idea we're clearing in us, and I will be there. One on the corrupt. So far, I know 21 cases and I know him. Even you let him cry in a court to cry, and I judge before the work for who will see all the time. Now, an incredible witnesses now, whatever. So President Akufo-Addo cannot tell us and deceive the people that he's fighting corruption when indeed he himself is leading the corruption charge.
All right. Eti Peter, my question na bibisa ne still na msa no ye na maye na bibisa say eti ede na discourage mu say nhwehwemu bi akoso na se mu susu say nhwehwemu no ye clearing agent na wa clear safo na mo de be kokot ede na discourage mu say mo be sa ade no.
Minia corruption ya me ne wo kase. Every day we are in ana enfia eba. If you are building doja, you are building doja. Say you want legal to taking that crime random my own point. Say we take care of it. We have the time to take any legal action that we want to take. But the most important thing is that we will take criminal action and others will take civil action. Civil action for what they also. In so many people hire their court charge. Almost you really the question saying. Can bond the year, yes, you Oman committee a year conflict of interest, a minister of finance, crime filing, a asset declaration, and that's put in a ecosystem. Wọ́n sọ obi akọta jẹ. Wọ́n sọ ẹ̀jẹ̀ yìí obi. Wọ́n sọ obi ẹ̀kẹ́ sika náà wọ́n wí àná. So those are the things we are talking about. The corruption infrastructure, the anti-corruption infrastructure in the country has been deliberately weakened by Akufo-Addo.
Okay. Peter, anope ye beda wase say no din komo.
Yo, mention me that mark.
Yo, Damisha. Jane aye Peter.
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no.
Needs FM.